Hey, what's going on, guys? We're starting the day off today by going to Ace Hardware. We got to pick up some nuts and bolts, and we're going to be working on a little project with the E36 again. So, make it over to Ace Hardware and continue there. Alright, we're pulling into Ace now. You know, I gotta say, for an 80s BMW, this thing's got some sick AC. It's pretty chilly in here, and it's over 90 degrees outside. Definitely can't complain for a daily driver. Alright, so I got what I needed from Ace. Time to head back home and get started on the project. Alright, now we're back in the car. So what I've been working on, I'm trying to rig up this camera mount on my harness bar. So the hardware that it came with, which was these things, is way too short to get around the harness bar because it's a little too thick. So what I did was I went to Ace Hardware, got some longer bolts, and they thread in to the nuts on here. So I'm going to see if I can get it to work over this. If not, I'm going to have to think of something else. Okay, so this kind of works. The thing is mounted to the harness bar correctly, but the bolts that I got are too long, so I can't thread in the locking pin for the top part. So I'm going to need to figure something out. I'm probably either going to put washers, or I'm going to try and flip this around and see if I can get it to stay steady with the bolt going down instead of up. Alright, so that actually worked out great. I was able to get them in. Got it snug for now. Got the top piece mounted. So this looks like it's going to work. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera in there, set it up, and take the car for a spin around the block, see how the footage looks. Alright, so I'm pretty happy with how that came out. I mean, it could be a little better, it could be a little bit more zoomed in, maybe closer to the windshield, but, you know, for now it's okay. Maybe I'll experiment in the future, find different positions to put the camera, maybe on the side window or something. But for now, I'm pretty happy with that. So now I have to get to cleaning out the car and basically removing anything that doesn't need to be here, because when you autocross, you cannot have anything in your car. So that's the next one. Let me get to cleaning everything out. Alright, so I got a box for all my stuff. Let's get to cleaning. Got all this. Rip it right out. Stickers, window regulator, good stuff. Then here, what do we have? More junk. Rip it right out. That was pretty fast. Interior's clean, ready to go. Gotta check one more thing. This is really important for tech inspection. Make sure that battery is tight. It's not going anywhere. Alright, the E36 is good to go. Car is clean. Ready for tomorrow. So, got a bunch of time left over. So, what I think I'm going to do now is do a little oil change on the E30. I've been kind of neglecting the car lately. So, I'll change the oil, catch up on some maintenance on that car. hopefully I can get it done before the rain. I think it's gonna rain soon. I don't know, we'll see. I was also thinking about washing this thing. I don't know if you guys can see. This thing's filthy. I don't think I've washed this thing in maybe 2 months, but we'll see how the weather holds up. If it's nice, I'll think about giving it a little wash, clean it up a little bit. If not, then whatever. Alright, let me get to work on this E30. What's up, guy?
What's up, bro?
Alright, so we finished up with the E30. Did the oil change. We actually bled the brakes. Now my buddy Joe's over here.
So it's
We're going to be bleeding the brakes on his bike.
Yeah.
Because it's junk. Like everything else around here.
Okay, it gets stuck, alright?
Yeah. So we're gonna get a little dirty with that. I got dirty with this thing. Got dirty with the E30, but now gotta get to work on this bike. Cleaning this.
Okay. You wanna put it up on the center stand?
Maybe. Yeah, let's do that.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
Good. Go. I'm pressing. Push, 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 push. There we go. 1, 2, 3. Come on. Oh,
This thing is heavy.
yeah, I know. Okay, I know.
Ready? Push.
Yeah. Come on. There we go. Oh,
Up. There
oil.
that goes.
Yes, there we go. Much easier right now, right?
Oh yeah. Alright, I'm holding.
Holding.
Other one. Hurry up. Hurry up,
It's
guy.
Loosened. It's loosened. Let me tighten it. Tighten it. Okay.
Alright, open it.
Hold it. Hold it. Okay.
Tighten it.
Tightening. Okay.
Alright. Brakes are bled. Only took a couple monkeys to do it.
This back on, man.
Let's push it.
I'm weak. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Let's not dump this.
Okay, okay.
I got the
Let me just okay. Alrighty then.
See if these brakes actually work.
And what if they don't, John? Yo, I think I fucked up on my hand railings. Hold up.
Oh my god.
Come here. You see how it like?
Oh, nice. Nice.
I don't think it was like that before, John. I don't think.
No, it wasn't.
This is.
Pull this one out.
I don't think you can.
Hold this.
Okay, I got you. You see? Oh, wait.
There we go.
Let's see if this will let
Nope. Gotta kick it. There you go.
Don't skid it too much or else it'll only get flat on one side.
We finished up with this bike. Brakes are bled. It's still junk. Still doesn't work.
It works, but you know, breaks, drag a little bit. That's all.
We don't have a solution.
Okay.
The thing's junk.
Just in case.
Someone buy
you
it.
wanna sell-
$1,000.
Just in case you want to buy this, you know, it's $1,100 just for.
All right,
just for
$1,100.
references,
I'm
okay?
sorry.
Hit him up, okay?
Yeah, someone take this off his hands. We don't want it. But now, I don't know about you, man. I'm hungry.
Yeah.
You know what that means?
Steaks.
Oh yeah,
Steaks.
we're gonna make some steak.
Steaks and vegetables, all right? Keep your balanced diet. Okay?
All right. Let's show you this. Show you some steak. All right, guys. I think that's it for today. We're about to eat. The food's almost ready.
Yo, let
We
me
got
get a
the
picture
chef.
of the food. Let me get a picture.
Yeah, we got steak's almost done. We got some veggies inside.
Get
As
the
he demanded.
veggies, Let me get everything plated up. Let me get.
Yeah,
everything good.
he's in charge of the food. So, got to end it for today. The car still filthy. Didn't get a chance to wash it. Don't really care. Next video is gonna be autocross. I'm gonna autocrossing tomorrow, so stay tuned for that. I'm gonna have some driving footage. So, got to be up bright and early for that. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. If you stayed this long in the video, thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, whatever you want to do. Thanks for watching, guys. See you. And now we feast.
That should look good, right?
Oh yeah. Now we feast.